Let's explore how digital twins are used in various industries to solve real-world problems and enhance operations. In manufacturing, digital twins are at the heart of Industry 4.0, driving smart automation and efficiency. Imagine having a virtual copy of your entire production line. You can simulate different scenarios, predict equipment failures before they happen, and optimize processes without disrupting the actual production. By using real-time data, manufacturers can reduce downtime, save costs, and ensure quality control, making operations smoother and more reliable. Healthcare is another field where digital twins are making groundbreaking changes. By creating a digital twin of a patient's organ or system, doctors can personalize treatment plans, test different approaches virtually, and even practice complex surgeries. For instance, a digital twin of a heart can show how it would react to a specific medication or surgery, leading to better outcomes and less risk. This is not just a technological advancement, it's a life-saving innovation. Digital twins are also crucial in smart city development. City planners use digital replicas of urban areas to monitor infrastructure, optimize traffic flow, and improve public safety. For example, by analyzing traffic patterns and simulating various changes, cities can reduce congestion, lower emissions, and create a more efficient transport system. Digital twins enable cities to be more responsive, sustainable, and better prepared for future challenges. The energy sector is using digital twins to monitor and optimize power plants, grids, and even renewable energy sources. These digital replicas provide insights into energy consumption patterns, help predict maintenance needs, and ensure efficient power distribution. By doing so, energy companies can improve their service reliability while reducing costs and environmental impact. In our next video, we'll discuss the challenges of implementing digital twins and strategies for overcoming them. Make sure to like and subscribe for more detailed content.